Imagine you have a brilliant jewelry concept in your head, a model inspired by famous designers, or a rough sketch without dimensions. How do you bring this idea to life? At Nendine, our talented 3D jewelry designers team is here to make that vision a reality. We start by creating a virtual 3D CAD model with utmost precision, giving you a comprehensive 360-degree view of your design. This allows for thorough analysis and modifications before moving forward. Next, we provide a technical and engineering drawing that conveys your vision in detail, ensuring every aspect is captured accurately. We advise on the best possible materials, visualize your product, and stay true to your original idea while optimizing for practicality. Our process helps eliminate possible structural bugs, sending your vision accurately to the production team. We focus on controlling costs while maintaining the design appeal, ensuring your final product is both beautiful and feasible. We've refined our design process over the years, resulting in a streamlined manufacturing flow that delivers optimal results in short lead times. Our seasoned design team is constantly in touch with over 500 materials, the latest design trends, and upcoming market preferences. We apply this knowledge to create custom jewelry that meets your brand's unique demands. Nendine is a seasoned jewelry manufacturer with over a decade of industry expertise, satisfying the diverse demands of hundreds of jewelry stores worldwide. Let us help you bring your jewelry designs to life.